There is a very small setting on YouTube that allows anyone to write your account name and link it to any video, even if that video is something you have never opened before. And what's even stranger is that this setting is enabled automatically for most users. Let's take a look at it. First, where do you find this setting? Open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom. Tap the gear icon at the top of the page. Choose Privacy. You'll find an option called Allow People to Mention You, and you'll notice that it is enabled by default. Before you decide to turn it off or leave it on, let's understand its effect. If this setting is enabled, anyone can write your account name like this at your name, and it will appear as if they are mentioning you. This can happen in comments, video descriptions, video titles, community posts. So anyone can mention your account in videos or comments without asking for your permission, which means your name could appear in places you might not want to be associated with. If you're not comfortable with anyone being able to do that, simply turn this option off. Finally, now tell me in the comments, was it on or off? Honestly, I discovered that most people find it enabled without even knowing. And if you'd like to learn about other YouTube settings that can control your visibility or privacy on the platform, like the video and subscribe to the channel, the next video will reveal another setting that many people use every day without actually knowing what it really does.